Say for instance, you got a tire that has a slow leak. It may leak down every 3, 4, 5 days. But to find out what type of pressure you need, PSI, just look on the driver's side, on the right hand side of your door. You'll see right there, this one is 60 PSI. So once you locate the tire that is leaking, just stop by the corner store or maybe your AutoZone and pick up this cheap can of Fix-A-Flat right here. It's really simple to use. And all of them are pretty much the same. So we'll throw away the instructions. I'm going to show you what you do. You take this Fix-A-Flat and make sure your tire, your stem is at the bottom. You see right here. And you take this Fix-A-Flat and you shake it really good, vigorously. Make sure everything's mixed up really good. And this one right here, you just take it and screw it on that cap. You go clockwise. And you may have to take two hands and put a little pressure on it, push in while you're twisting it. If not, it's just gonna mess the threads up. You see I'm trying to do it with one hand. I had to put it down and do it with two. And once you get it on there, you'll hear the foam and stuff going into the tires. Once you finish that, make sure it's empty. It takes about a minute to empty that can. You want to drive it about 2 or 3 miles to get it all mixed up around in your tires. So once you finish putting this in, just shake it a little bit, twist this off. And like I said, go for a ride for about 2 miles. And then what you can do once you go for the ride, you need to add a little bit more air. You just get this little compressor right here, stop to a gas station and fill it up to what you want. And that's it. And you can go get it replaced if you want to. I done drove around with mine for a long time without replacing it. So that would fix that slow leak. If this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.